In this video, we're going to talk about web technologies and jobs. So first of all, let's see the overview of this video. First section, we're going to talk about the internet industry, front end versus back end, the technologies of the World Wide Web. The next one is front end designer, back end developer, the full stack developer, network engineer, cybersecurity experts, and the last one is digital marketing. So let's dive in. The internet industry. Have you ever wondered how there are so many products and services on the internet? Or why there are so many different rules in the tech industry? For that matter, what is the difference between a front-end and a back-end developer? In this lesson, you'll learn about the core technologies that keep the internet running and the jobs that make it all happen. Front-end versus back-end. Building a website involves two categories of tasks, front-end and back-end. What is the front-end? What users see and interact with. This is the front-end. Everything that's displayed on the screen is front-end. Buttons, menus, pages, links, graphics, and other things. Front-end is another way of saying client-side. And what is the back-end? Informations, requests, servers, and database. They are the back-end. Back-end is another way of saying server-side. So, the technologies of the World Wide Web. Coders use programming languages to communicate with machines. Web pages are constructed using three core web technologies. The first one, HTML. What is the HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. So what's up to that? Controls the structure of a web page. It's enhanced and modified by CSS and JS. So what is CSS? Cascading style sheets. CSS controls the presentation, format, and layouts. And what is the JS? JS is abbreviation of JavaScript. So JavaScript controls the behavior of a web page and makes it interactive. Front-end designer. Front-end designers are experts in user experience. They balance style and function, so websites are pretty engaging and useful. They design and build elements like button, menus, pages, links, graphics, and more. Learning HTML, CSS, and JS is a very good starting point if you want to become a front-end designer. So what is the back-end? Back-end developers are experts of the internet world, which you don't see. They work with data and write code that can find and deliver data to the front end. They focus on assembling information requested and delivering it to the front end and work largely with services and databases. Learning about PHP, JS, SQL, and a language like Python or Java or Go are a good starting point if you want to become a backend developer. So, how about a full stack developer? Can we learn both of them? They are a mythological creature that can work with both front-end and back-end technologies. These professionals are known as full stack developers. These powerful team players have the breadth of knowledge to see the big picture. So they're the perfect people to suggest ways to optimize the process or remove roadblocks that might be slowing down the system. So the next topic is about network engineer. Networks need to be maintained and repaired. Network engineers keep networks running but also expand existing networks and create new ones within businesses. Networks engineers work with both public and private networks. That can mean an airport's Wi-Fi, a school system, or a top secret research institution. They configure devices and optimize performance. Network engineers can code in different languages. A good starting point is Python or Java. So, how about cybersecurity experts? The internet would be a wilder and more dangerous place without cybersecurity professionals. Attackers can use the internet to access, change, or destroy sensitive information, extort money from users, or interrupt normal business processes. Cybersecurity experts protect devices, networks, and software from digital attacks. Java, Python, and SQL are a very good starting point if you want to dive a bit deeper into cybersecurity. So the next and the last topic is about digital marketing. Digital marketers use the internet to promote products and services. Search engine optimization experts or SEO experts know how to get more traffic from search engines like Google. They optimize websites in order to achieve higher search engine rankings. If you want to become a digital marketer and a SEO pro, a basic understanding of HTML is a must. So in this lesson, we have talked about that three core technologies make the web. First one is HTML, CSS, and the last one is JS. Tasks in the process of building a website can be classified into two categories, front end and back end. And the last point is that products and services on the internet exist thanks to a wide range of professionals. Coding skills give them a competitive advantage. So, as always, make the most of your time and bye for now.